Hey folks, Nexus Protocol's new product EthNexus is around the corner. It's currently being tested by the public. At the end of this video I will also be showing to you how you can test it for yourself. Their governance token Psy has been doing better lately. After a long downtrend, it is recovering, and in my personal opinion it will keep going up, especially with EthNexus going live soon. Then again, this is not financial advice and please do your own research. Okay, so if you visit Nexus Protocol as it is right now, you will of course see the old website, which will soon change. If you head over to the testnet, you already will notice that they have added the Ethereum network button at dashboard. Now, if you click it, you can connect your wallet, your Ether wallet. The biggest change here is under the vault page though. Now the old vault page looks like this, right? Nothing too special. In my opinion, this is much cleaner. You got B Luna and B ETH right now. And if you click on these buttons, you will also see all these information, which you kinda saw here as well, but this is just much cleaner. I mean, you even have an explanation of a fee structure. Awesome. Now, the vault page is gonna look different when you switch to Ethereum. Boom. And the reason is, it lets you deposit your Ethereum from the Ethereum network. It's a very, very convenient tool, which will attract a lot of TVL. This is also the reason why I think the Psy price action is gonna look really good soon, because of this product. Now, basically, what it lets you do is, let me actually connect my MetaMask really quickly. Alright, here we go. So we've got some Ether on the Ropsten Test Network. When you hit on deposit 1 Ethereum, for example, submit, you will see this screen. So you have to go through 5 steps. But essentially it's just click, 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 accept, 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 accept. Very convenient, very easy. Nexus Protocol does the bridging for you, basically. So very nice, cool to have, a cool feature, and very, very welcoming for people that never interacted with the Terra network, right? People that are just in the Ethereum network who've never really looked into Terra. This is awesome. They will see the Nexus Vault APR, and then they can just decide to put their Ethereum in it, right? The same way, of course, if they want to get out of it, withdraw, super simple, right? Now, of course, you have to have a Terra Station wallet, right? Because when you deposit your Ethereum, you will essentially end up getting Nexus Ethereum that earns the APR. Alright, so you want to test this out for yourself? Then head over to the Nexus Protocol Discord server. I will link everything down below. And then open the announcements channel. Over here, Tundra has posted a pretty comprehensive guide, but I will just go through it on this video now. So, first of all, you want to open this link, the staging Nexus Protocol.app, and it will ask you for a username and a password. The username is testuser, and the password is written right here in the message. Boom, sign in. Awesome, now you're in the testnet. Now you of course need a Ethereum wallet, MetaMask for example, connect to the Ropsten Test Network, and also prepare a Terra Station wallet that is also set to the test network. After that, you want to get yourself some Ethereum and some Luna for the testnets. For that, hit this link, the first one. That's for the Ethereum. After opening the website, you just click here, and then the rest is self-explanatory. And over here you hit faucet Terra money and put in your Terra address. That's it. After receiving your tokens, you can connect your wallets, refresh the page, so it shows you the balance in the vaults, and you can have fun. Deposit your Ethereum, withdraw it, and just test it out. See if it runs smooth for you, and it would be awesome for you to share your experience with it on the Discord server under EthNexus testnet feedback. So feedback is very much appreciated, especially if you stumble across a bug, glitch, or anything that strikes your attention. And that's it. I wish you a good day. Peace out.